He says persons living with disability should not be quick to dismiss the document, arguing that its contents are not cast in stone. This comes in the backdrop of widespread opposition among persons living with disability who say that their views were not adopted into the report. On Tuesday, nominated Senator Isaac Mwaura termed the report as a mockery to persons living with disability.
We know that people with disability have been excluded from the report. But I'm sure when we sit down, we are going to bring it back because we are the voice of the people. And we are the voice of the people even in the National Assembly, in the county assemblies and elsewhere. Because what the current constitution says, there will be a representation of people with disability and other marginalized groups. There will be 5% of all public employment reserved for people with disability. So that cannot be, we cannot lose that. We must retain what is there and improve on it.
And still on matters BBI, network